Hey PTE aspirants! Welcome back to our channel, your go-to place for mastering the PTE Academic and PTE Core. In today's video, we're diving into a fresh Retell lecture practice, just like you'll face in the real exam. I'll play the lecture first, and then you'll hear the perfect model response, so you can boost your fluency, content, and pronunciation scores. Make sure you grab a notebook for keywords, because this is your moment to practice like a pro. And hey, before we dive in, hit that subscribe button so you never miss a single practice session that could make all the difference in your PTE results. Mental health awareness in the workplace is crucial for fostering a healthy, productive environment. Poor mental health among employees leads to increased absenteeism, reduced productivity, and higher turnover rates. Despite growing recognition, stigma around mental health still prevents many workers from seeking help. Creating a supportive workplace culture involves educating employees, providing access to mental health resources, and encouraging open conversations. Employers who prioritize mental well-being see benefits like improved morale, higher engagement, and lower healthcare costs. Ultimately, mental health awareness promotes overall employee wellness and contributes to organizational success. The lecture highlighted the importance of mental health awareness at work. Poor mental health causes absences and low productivity, while stigma stops many from getting help. Supportive workplaces offer education, resources, and open dialogue. Prioritizing mental well-being improves morale, engagement, and reduces costs, benefiting both employees and companies. Renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and biofuels offer great opportunities to reduce carbon emissions and combat climate change, but they also face significant challenges. One major issue is their intermittent nature. Solar and wind depend on weather conditions, requiring advanced energy storage solutions like high-capacity batteries to ensure a stable power supply. Existing electricity grids, designed for constant fossil fuel power, need modernization to handle variable renewable inputs efficiently. Additionally, regulatory uncertainty, high upfront costs, and shortages of skilled workers limit rapid expansion. Despite these challenges, falling technology costs, government incentives, and innovations like green hydrogen create promising prospects for a clean and sustainable energy future. The lecture explained that renewable energy helps fight climate change, but faces challenges like relying on sun and wind, which aren't always available. Energy storage and smarter grids are needed. High costs, unclear regulations, and skilled worker shortages also slow progress. Still, technology improvements and support offer hope for a sustainable energy future. The global tea industry is one of the oldest and most widespread agricultural sectors, with roots tracing back thousands of years to ancient China. Today, tea is cultivated in more than 60 countries, with major producers including China, India, Kenya, and Sri Lanka. It is the most consumed beverage in the world after water, and its economic and cultural influence is immense. Economically, tea production provides livelihoods for millions of small farmers and workers, particularly in Asia and Africa. It contributes significantly to export revenues, with countries like Sri Lanka depending heavily on tea as a major foreign exchange earner. However, challenges such as fluctuating international prices, changing consumer preferences, and climate change threaten the stability of the industry. Culturally, tea has shaped traditions worldwide. From the Japanese tea ceremony to British afternoon tea, it symbolizes hospitality, social bonding, and even spirituality. Recently, the global market has shifted towards specialty teas, herbal blends, and health-oriented products, reflecting consumer interest in wellness. In essence, tea is not just an agricultural product, but a global cultural phenomenon that connects economies, societies, and traditions across continents. The lecture discussed the global tea industry, highlighting that it has grown in over 60 countries, with China, India, Kenya, and Sri Lanka as leading producers. Tea provides income for millions and supports export revenues, especially in countries like Sri Lanka. Culturally, it shapes traditions such as the Japanese tea ceremony and British afternoon tea. The speaker noted challenges like climate change and changing consumer tastes, but emphasized that tea remains both an economic driver and a cultural symbol worldwide. Mental health awareness in the workplace is essential for creating a supportive environment that boosts productivity and employee well-being. Poor mental health is a leading cause of absenteeism, decreased focus, and high staff turnover, which cost businesses billions globally. Despite growing awareness, stigma still prevents many employees from seeking help. Employers can improve this by offering mental health training, providing counseling resources, and fostering open conversations. Companies that prioritize mental health see higher engagement, reduce sickness absence, and better morale. Promoting mental health at work benefits not only individuals, but also the overall success and culture of an organization. The lecture emphasized that workplace mental health awareness is vital because poor mental health leads to absences and low productivity. Stigma often stops people from seeking help. Supportive employers provide training, resources, and open dialogue, resulting in happier, more engaged employees and fewer sick days, benefiting both workers and companies. Water scarcity is a growing global challenge due to population growth, climate change, and increased demand from agriculture, industry, and households. Effective global resource management requires integrated water resources management, IWRM, which balances social, economic, and environmental needs. Key strategies include improving water use efficiency, recycling wastewater, and developing non-traditional sources like desalination powered by renewable energy. Cooperation across borders is vital since many freshwater sources are shared internationally. Investments in technology, legal frameworks, data monitoring, and public awareness are essential for sustainable water supply. Managing water wisely helps prevent conflicts, supports food security, and protects ecosystems worldwide. The lecture discussed growing water scarcity caused by population and climate pressures. Managing water globally requires balancing social, economic, and environmental needs through efficient use, recycling, and renewable-powered desalination. Since many water sources cross borders, cooperation and strong policies are needed to ensure fair, sustainable access and protect ecosystems. If you found this practice useful, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps more learners find us. And for daily PTE tips, model answers, and prediction topics, subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss a lesson. Comment below with your score goal, and I'll share a personalized study tip for you. Until next time, keep practicing and keep aiming higher. You've got this.